Hey everybody, good morning, it's Rob Moffett. Guys, this video is for people who are interested in getting a inexpensive desktop PC or interested in getting involved in making their own videos on YouTube. I've been making videos on YouTube for about 14 years. The last 12 years, I've been using this old computer. Of course, it wasn't old when I bought it. I think I paid $479 for it 12 years ago. And it finally broke on me. It just, things started wearing out little by little. I replaced the internal CD DVD drive, and I made it an external hard drive. Then all the USB ports started crapping out on me. So I said, it's time to get another computer. And I only use Windows Live Movie Maker and Sony Vegas version 12 sometimes to make my videos. I'm not a power user, but I've made over 1,000 videos and people seem to be pretty happy with them. But as you can see, this old computer, it only had 3 gigs of memory and it was 2.8 gigahertz. Had a pretty decent video graphics card though at the time. But I thought, what could I get to replace it? And I'm a big fan of buying refurbished, and I thought to myself, instead of buying on Amazon, let me go check Best Buy, because Best Buy, if I have a problem, I can drive in my car and take it back to them and see if they could fix it, or even call them on the phone if I bought it from them, and maybe they could tell me something I could do instead of having to send it back. Or if I bought on Amazon, even though it's a 3 months warranty with Amazon and a cheaper price, if I have a problem, I'm stuck. So this is what I got: a refurbished HP Elite desktop. It has 8 gig instead of my old computer had 3 gigs of the RAM, the internal memory, and it's got 2 terabytes of hard drive, which is pretty decent. And it's I think it's 3.2 gigahertz, so it's much faster. After I purchase it, I get a much better video quality. I can see the video much better. It's more clear and more sharp. The only negative I found so far is when it's working, sometimes it makes a background noise like a Geiger counter, which is not good if you're making a screencast, if you're copying the video off your computer. But I've been pretty happy. Now, if you wanted a cheaper price and you were a little bit computer illiterate, you could fix problems that came up. You can go to Amazon and find these computers even cheaper. Also, if this is what I got, HP EliteDesk 800. It isn't a mini, it's the regular size. This one has 32 gigabytes instead of 8. So there's different ones depending on what's inside them. Basically, you could probably find one with 16 gigs of RAM for about what I paid on Best Buy. I only had 8 gigs of RAM in the one I got from Best Buy. It was $249. But my main point is, the computer is about half the price of the one I paid for 12 years ago, and I have much better quality, a lot more RAM, and a lot more on my hard drive. So if you're needing a computer to make your videos, I don't think you need to spend a lot of money if you already have a monitor and a keyboard. And I don't see much of a problem with purchasing the refurbished, because they've already found a problem and they fixed it. So I'm pretty happy with the HP EliteDesk so far, but I've only had it for a few weeks. I haven't had it for 12 years. I don't know if it's going to last 12 years. I don't know if I'm going to last 12 years. But if you're thinking about getting a computer, you might want to investigate the HP EliteDesk series and not be too afraid of getting the refurbished, either on Amazon or checking out Best Buy. Like I said, Best Buy, I feel that you have a little better chance of getting something fixed with having to send it back in the mail, you know. you might be able to just go in and swap out a different one if you have a problem. So that's my video for today. I don't have a lot of computer literacy. If you have a question, in all my videos I always tell people if they have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to answer. But in this particular video I'll be happy to answer, but don't expect a lot of quality responses when it comes to inner workings of computers or your problems there. But basically, if you just need to make simple videos, I've been super happy with an old computer that only had 3 gigs of RAM, and now I've got 8. And it was a superior video card, I think. So, guys, keep watching my videos. I put on new stuff every week. Been doing it for 14 years. Got a bunch of playlists, over 1,000 videos. A bunch of cool people that feature my channel. No relation to me, they would not anyway. And like I said, I put on new stuff every week. Also, because YouTube does not know what to do with my channel, because I'm always making different types of videos, they don't promote my videos at all. So if you see one that you like more than normal, please share it with other people and let them realize what good taste you have. And also the great googly like stuff when you watch at the end and watch more of my videos. So hint, hint. Okay. I'm going to shut up now. Good luck with your computer, guys. Hope it lasts at least 12 years like mine did. Take care. See you out there.